Math Day, great day, Math Lead learners. Welcome to Mathematics Lead Channel. We will turn your math worry into mystery. I am Jovelyn and together, let us have fun while learning. And our topic today is graph and solving problem involving circle and other geometric figures on the coordinate plane. And for our learning objective, at the end of the lesson, the student should be able to A. Graph circle and other geometric shape using equation. B. Solve problem involving distances, midpoints, and equations of geometric figures on the coordinate plane. And letter C. Apply algebraic and geometric reasoning to solve real-world problem. And for our engaging activity, let's call it exploring geometry on the coordinate plane, circle and shape in action. And in this activity, I will give you 5 minutes to answer the question and later we will check it if your answer is correct. And for your first question, sketch the graph of the circle defined by the equation x squared plus y squared equal 25. Okay, time's up. Let's check if your answer is correct. The first thing that we need to do is we need to find the center and the radius. Since center at the origin is 0 and 0 and for our radius, since r squared equal 25, we need to get the square root of 25 and it is equal to 5. Next, to graph a circle, we need to plot into our Cartesian plane. And from our equation, x squared plus y squared equal 25 and the center is the origin 0 and 0 and the radius is 5 units, the first thing that we need to do is plot the center in our Cartesian plane. Next thing that we need to do is count of 5 units in all directions since that is the radius. And now, after plotting all those radius points, we can now connect the radius points to sketch the graph of the circle. Did you understand, class? Okay, thank you. Now let's proceed to our activating knowledge. In this lesson, we were going to graph and solving problem with the circle and other geometric figure on the coordinate plane. Are you ready to listen again, class? Okay, and now we have here a plotted in Cartesian plane and what we're going to do is find the equation of this circle in a standard form and general form. First, we need to identify the center. So the center is at the point 3 and 2 and the next thing that we need to do is find the measurement of our radius. To solve the radius, we need to use the distance formula. And the distance formula is r equals square root x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. And so we're going to let 3 and 2 as x sub 1 and y sub 1 and 6 and 6 be our x sub 2 and y sub 2 and plot it to our formula. So now we have r equals square root 6 minus 3 squared plus 6 minus 2 squared and 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. And 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. That copy lang natin yung 2. Kaya magiging 3 squared plus 4 squared. Then 3 squared equal to 9 and 4 squared equal to 16. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. Kaya magiging r equals square root of 25. And we already know that The square root of 25 is equal 5. Now we already know the center and the radius. We can now write the equation of the circle. Did you get it, class? Okay, now let's proceed to our general equation is in the form x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal r squared. So we need to substitute the value of h, k, and r in this equation. Since h equal to 3 and k equal to 2 and the radius is 5 squared equal 25, now our standard equation is x minus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equal to 25. And now, for our general equation, first we need to solve the C, D, and E. And let's first solve the C. And the formula of C is negative 2h. And to solve this, substitutes h into 3. So we have negative 2 times 3 is equal negative 6. And for D, negative 2k, and same with the letter C, negative 2 times 2 is equal to negative 4. And for E, the formula is h squared plus k squared minus r squared. And now we have 3 squared plus 2 squared minus 5 squared equal to negative 12. Since we already know that C, D, and E, our general equation is x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 4y negative 12 equal 0. Did you understand, class? Okay, thank you. And for developing competency, I will give you 5 minutes to answer the question, and you may pause the video to check if your answer is correct. And for your answer the following problem, number 1, show the graph of the circle whose equation is given by x plus 3 squared plus y plus 5 squared equal 25, then identify two other points ordered first that lie on the circle. And for your number 2, the end of the diameter of center C are points A, negative 5 and 3, and B, 3 and Y. What is the equation of this circle of general form? Okay, class, time's up. I will slide it and check it if your answer is correct. This is for number 1 and next is for number 2. Okay, since we don't have enough time for your assignment, answer this question. A triangle has vertices s negative 2 and 5, u 3 and 8, and 8 and 5, find the area of the triangle. Write it standard form and equation of the circle that has its center at 1 and negative 4 and tangent to the x-axis. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.